What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to set up payment gateways on WordPress. So for this, you want to go to your site and then click on Edit Site. And then here, select on a page where you want to add the payment gateway. So for this one, let's add it here to subscribers. And then from here, what we want to do is you want to type here, click on the arrow button to add a block, and then type in payments. Automatically, you have here three options. So you can add here this button here, payments. It will show these three icons. So you can add a donation form, or you can also add in payment buttons. But for this one right here, for payments, on WordPress, the thing is, when you click on payments, it actually requires you to have a Stripe account. So if you do not have a Stripe account, then definitely you can opt to add a PayPal gateway. Because the reason for this is Stripe isn't usually available in most countries. Usually it's just available for Western countries. So for example, I'm in the Philippines, so I cannot have a Stripe account because definitely it won't accept my address here. And yeah, so best to make sure if Stripe is accepted in your country or is available in your country. If it is, then definitely you can go with Stripe. It's much easier if you're using WordPress, and it's much more convenient to link with WordPress. But other things that you can add here is PayPal. So if you have PayPal account, just click on this. You can add a product image right here, upload it, item name, and then add a currency. So they have multiple currencies here. And then allow people to buy more than one item at a time. You can add that as well. But for this one, you're going to need to upgrade to a premium. And a premium on WordPress usually costs around uh, almost almost $100 per month, per year. And that's about it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, hit that subscribe button as well. And follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.